Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Poco X7 Pro. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. So here has been the phone in previously, and this box you need to remove here, this yellow box, and then on the back of it you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. Otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone. So please use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now a SIM ejection tool or the paper clip and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray you're able to insert two SIM cards if you want, one on the top and optional a second one below. By the way, what's SIM 1 and SIM 2, it's always here written in the middle. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. Press it well, so that's why I insert it. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner on the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. It only fits like that. And the contacts, they are on top. If you want, you can add now optional as well a second SIM card on the other side of the SIM tray. If you insert two SIM cards, press it well from both sides so that both SIM cards are well fixed here in the SIM tray. And yeah, this is how it should look like then, the second SIM card. It has also a missing corner, and it belongs to the missing corner here of the SIM tray. And the same thing, the contacts, they are on top, as you can see. Okay, and if you're ready with it, anyhow, if it's two or one SIM card, just enter the SIM tray back into the SIM slot of the phone. The first SIM card is always on top, so on the display side. Close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.